I wanted to share with you a easy way to make crispy fried chicken. All right, this is buttermilk fried chicken. I'm using skinless thighs, boneless thighs, but you can use skin chicken. I just really don't eat that. But this is a way to make crispy skinless fried chicken or crispy fried chicken. All right, so I just clean your chicken and then you can season it however you like. I leave the fat on my chicken because I like fat. And I use a decent amount of seasoning because all of that does not stay on, but you can season it with whatever you want, cover it up real good in the season, and then you'll add your milk and you'll let that sit for at least an hour, but you can let it sit overnight. Depends on how you would like to do it, but you can just cover that and pop that right back in the refrigerator. And then once you're ready to cook, you can just go on and make your flour mixture. You can do flour and just a little bit of cornstarch if you want. Seasonings, again, pick the seasonings that you do want to use, that you feel taste the best with what you're trying to do. Those are the ones that I used. You mix all that up real nice and good. Again, you're not going to get all the seasoning, so if you think it's a lot, it really, you don't taste it all at all. So I mix a good amount of seasoning in there, mix that up, and then now you are ready to go. You can remove your chicken from the buttermilk, or you can just leave it like I did mine. And then you're just going to take it, take off all the excess wetness, and then dip it into the flour mixture, and then you're going to re-dip it again into your buttermilk, and then you're going to dip it again in the mixture, and that's how you get that thick coat, and the chicken looks crispy. It is crispy and it is tasty. So you'll put it in, make sure your oil is nice and heated, and then once you're done with one side, once it looks brown like that, so you're going to flip it to the other side and then let that brown. You don't want to overdo it too much because you don't want dry chicken, but thighs are usually nice and juicy. I use a paper towel to dry mine. You can use a cooling rack or something like that, but this is it. It is real easy, real simple, and real quick to get crispy fried chicken.